New camera. You're dumb, bro. So I'm at SeaWorld, and it is no secret there is construction happening. I'm sure you guys can hear the noise. I mean, they're building a new roller coaster. It's awesome, and it's hard to hide a new roller coaster. But the thing is, they put up these fences to keep you safe, but they're keeping you away from what you really want to see, which is the ride. On any normal day, I'd do just about anything I can to get behind this fence. But today's different. We started off right here in the center of the construction site. Wherever I look, there's coaster track around me, everywhere. Right here is the front car, zero car, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty awesome.
Now talking about the ride, you launch out of the station immediately with an airtime moment where you'll go over our hammerhead wave turn at 110 feet all the way in the back. As you plunge down into our water feature here, we'll have cutbacks making figure eights all the way back to the station.
So if you heard that, he just went over the whole layout of this ride, and that's something that's pretty cool because if you notice one thing, it is so action-packed. Starting off with the launch to the hammerhead turn, everything in between, and then this corkscrew. One thing I can tell is this ride is going to be extremely action-packed, extremely thrilling, and SeaWorld is going all out on this ride. It looks absolutely phenomenal. But I want to give a major thanks to the SeaWorld Orlando team for inviting me out here. This is such an incredible experience that not a lot of people get, and I am so lucky to even be among the few that were in. Okay, give me a second. I owe you guys an explanation. All the blurriness in that clip and the wobbling that you see throughout the video, I didn't do it on purpose. It's this thing. I don't know how to use a camera, and this is the brand new camera that I showed at the beginning of the video. I don't know how to use it at all. So, I mean, if you guys have any pointers or any tips or anything, please, because I need help. But on with the show. Bite it. We just got to look at what the test seat looks like, and I can totally confirm that it looks absolutely awesome. I mean, I'll show it obviously. Apparently, ride operators are going to be able to set the seat to the rider's height. I don't necessarily know how that's going to affect operations, but I think it'll be pretty sweet. They'll be able to give you a really personalized experience, which will be really unique for everyone depending on your height. And with SeaWorld, this is a really big thing. They've been marketing themselves as the coaster capital of Orlando. And if this doesn't scream coaster capital, well then their other 6 coasters definitely do. It'll provide a very unique experience, not found in Orlando, not found in Florida. This is a pretty rare experience, especially seeing how many stand-ups are actually out there. This is something that you can't get many places. The very first model of surf coaster with the bouncing seats, the very first launch stand-up. SeaWorld is doing an incredible job at solidifying themselves as the coaster capital of Orlando. This ride is going to be huge for SeaWorld Orlando. They're making me give back my helmet. Bummer.
Subscribe to Zooter Looper!
Yeah, this guy just subscribed and you guys gotta do it too. Hey! Yo, are we done? Yeah, we're done. All right, do you wanna go on Mako? I got quickies. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.